Welcome back to Dead Riffs, and today we're going to continue on Stairway to Heaven. All right, so you got another C walk up. So you start on the A, walk it up to the C, and then pretty easy. In the second chord, you got this middle finger right here, and you got your pinky right here. That's the B string, 3rd fret. And then take that B string to the 1st fret, and then pull it off. And you got ring finger right here on the 2nd fret of the G string, because you're going to make an A minor shape. So that whole thing sounds like this. And you do it again. Instead of getting to right here, you go to an F, and then to an A minor. And then you do it again. But this time, you hit the open B string, and then go to the chord you learned last week with an open A root note there. Hey, cool. All right, so you do that a whole bunch of times, and eventually, when you get to that chord you did last week, instead of doing that, you do a D. So it goes. You take your middle finger off, strum it twice, put your middle finger on, and then you put your pinky on the 3rd fret. And he does it really fast, and I think that's what he's doing. It's hard to say. You leave your ring finger and you take these two off and put them right there, so it's like a C. And then I take my pointer finger and put it on the 2nd fret of the E string. And it makes this really sour, beautiful chord. And then take it off. You got finger there, like the usual, and then you have your middle finger right here actually, and it's gonna go, so that's A, G, B, G, and then the E string, and then the B, and then you do this pull off right here, at the 4th fret to the 2nd fret on the G string, and then open G, and then it goes into the guitar solo. And this is all by ear, I can't really tell exactly what's going on. Lots of different strings going on, lots of reverb, like I said. But yeah, good luck, sir, good luck.